Hey, what's up guys? I'm Luke W and today I'm going to be taking you guys through a little bit of my Amazon FBA experience and give you some of my updates on my 3 products that I currently have inside Amazon. And guys, please subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to do that and even hit that notification bell, because in the next couple of videos I'm going to be putting out, I'm going to be explaining how I found my 4th product, which I don't have yet in inventory, but I literally think I found a golden nugget product last night within the first 5 minutes of doing my newest method of product research. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I'm finding amazing products, I'll put a picture of the revenue right now of this thing. But the reviews, guys, are literally all under 20, and this thing, I can make $45 profit every time I sell one, and it's got a higher price point. It's a product that's actually in a restricted category, but Amazon, I was just on the phone with them this morning, and they said that I am ungated in it because my 3rd product that I'm currently selling has a similar restriction, and since I'm ungated for that product, I'm also ungated for this newer product that I found. And the revenue is just insane, guys. People have 0 reviews and they're making over $10,000 a month in revenue, and the higher end people are making over $100,000 in revenue a month. So I was even on the Alibaba with suppliers last night and messaged a ton of them. I couldn't fall asleep till practically 3 in the morning last night. So straight up super stoked about this. I'm gonna show you guys my sales. They're not the best, but I literally have sold out of my neodymium magnets. I mean, I have 3 left, so I don't think I'm gonna reorder this product. I'm just about over ordering products that are looking for volume sales. I'm not too much into that. And I really do now understand how finding a product with really, really low reviews and low competition, but a really high demand, is exactly what I've learned ever since the beginning. All the gurus, Tanner Fox, all these guys have told me, find a product, everything under 75 reviews on the first page, but find that huge demand and that huge revenue stream coming in. So this is what I found with the 4th product. Again, guys, please subscribe to this channel, and I will show you guys more about how I found that and help you guys out along the way with your journey as well, especially if you guys are just getting started. Myself, I just started about 7-8 months ago, and I kind of have been neglecting a little bit due to making more YouTube videos, helping people out. I've neglected my business a little bit in that regard, but I'll show you guys my sales. We can see here, and I actually have a really cool thing for you guys. That one sale came in last night, or just after midnight, and I was expecting to actually wake up and see a lot more sales on my phone this morning, especially because I got that one right after midnight. And the reason for this is because I made a coupon code, guys. These things are so cool. They give your product image a nice thing that really stands out. Mine currently says 15% off right below in a big orange box. So seeing that when customers are scrolling through, I've already seen 5 different people have clipped that coupon code, so they might come back and buy my product. But that's why last night my coupon was established and I was able to have that on my listing. I got a sale in the first 10 minutes that coupon went live. So I was surprised I didn't wake up to more sales this morning, but again, this is a product that I literally have 140 pages of competitors selling the same product. And a funny thing about it is that I wanted to test this market. I wanted to test out how competitive of a market I could get into, because the sales on the first page are still really, really good. The profit margin for me is about $11 per unit right now. So it's not too bad, but one other cool thing I wanted to share with you guys was the whole time I was focused on one keyword and getting my product ranked for this one keyword. Now, I thought it was the broadest, which it is. The most sales are going there. But I literally clicked on my listing yesterday and went into it, and I saw in the top there under my title, it said it's an Amazon choice product in a different specific group of keywords. So I clicked on there, and then my product literally had the Amazon choice badge on it, and it looked super cool. And then I got my coupon code there. So doing these things to your listing and finding which market Amazon wants to push your product in is very important. And I mean, I pretty much found out that all this stuff yesterday is I was able to finally take some time for my business, look into Amazon. You know, after you get it up and running, it's almost like you don't need to really do much more work except maintain some, like update your listings or something. But after you have it in there, there's not much more you really need to do after you optimize everything. So that's kind of the beauty of Amazon in and of itself, because it's so passive after you do that front loading part of the work. But guys, I mean, I've been doing just like the YouTube videos. I was out like doing a photo shoot with like my girlfriend the other day, so I spend too many hours with that girl, but it's pretty cool. I mean, I'll put in some clips and photos of me actually doing the photo shoot, and you know, I just don't like other guys photographing my girl all the time, so they couldn't go one day, and I was able to go, and we shot with this lounge in Seattle. VU Seattle is the lounge name, and it hasn't even opened yet. So not to mention getting that photography with another person is probably some help for my personal portfolio, and hopefully in the future I want to actually have a studio in my house where I'm doing my own product photography. So with that little side note out of the way, basically this product update's telling you guys my first product, the neodymium magnets, are just about sold out. I still have quite a few more units from a friend who has sent me his, because these magnets were a restricted product. I was allowed to sell them. My friend couldn't. He sent them all to me, and I'm still selling those. But other than that, then I have my third product, which I just told you, the Amazon Choice badge and everything. And pretty much there's a lot that I have learned in just yesterday, but the biggest thing I'm stoked about is this product research method that I came across, and I'm going to bring you guys a video of my 3 favorite product research methods, as well as creating a coupon code for your guys' products. So I just wanted to bring a quick update to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Not to mention, I was downloading some new music yesterday, and if you guys know Ryan Hildreth, he's got this crazy song that he plays at the end of all his videos. I'm going to play it for you guys in a second, but yeah, this is the hype, guys. Your boy's literally hyped, because finding this product last night tapped me into a whole brand new niche, guys. I couldn't fall asleep till 3 a.m., and I literally was so stoked I couldn't even handle it. I was on my calculator, like divvying up like profits and revenues and how much I could make and all these different things, hitting up all my suppliers. This product brought me into a whole new niche, and the entire niche is like high-end products with a higher price point selling over $100, and the demand is huge and the competition is so low. And I was afraid, because I thought maybe these products are patented and stuff like that. I went and checked all the patents, all the trademarks, all the restrictions within Amazon, and I am able to sell these products, guys. I'm so happy. So I came across, download some music last night. We got that Ryan Hildreth song for you guys. Like, oh. Okay, so Ryan Hildreth's songs make me get hyped, okay? So someone left a comment in his video, they were like, what song is this? And I found it, I downloaded it, as well as 20 other songs yesterday. Finding music that gets you guys hyped and motivated is the key, and I've neglected downloading new songs a lot lately too, and literally having those songs that you guys know are freaking kick-ass, and you're on your way to work or whatever, you're listening to music, it gets you so hyped. So right now I'm really into just getting my Amazon products, going crazy, finding this new niche, getting something that's ranking me in 10K a month in profit, guys. It's doable with this next product. I can see this happening because the reviews are so low, the demand is so high. There's 5 pages of sellers, and it's nothing. I'm in a market right now with 140 pages of sellers with my third product. I and the reviews are so low. I can just do a little giveaway, rank to page 1. All these gurus say, or not gurus or whatever, just even friends I know are making all of their sales, and the guys that are doing the big numbers that you see the screenshots of all the time of their big Amazon sale numbers, all these guys are within the top 5 listings on the first page on Amazon. And that's where I can get with this next new product. I can get $45 to maybe even $60 profit per unit I sell, and the sellers are selling 200 up to over 1,000 units a month on the first page. So this thing is absolutely amazing, guys. Again, just a quick look at the sales I'm doing right now. Like, guys, I'm over getting just a couple sales a day, like 6-7 sales a day. I want to get 6-7 sales a day, but I want to have like $45 coming in every time I sell one, not just $10. So this is just kind of a throw it together video for you guys. I hope you kind of are going to subscribe to this channel and just hit that notification bell, because the next few videos I put out are going to be bringing some serious content that's like the research methods I'm using that no one else is ever going to find your product using these methods, as well as creating a coupon code, guys. It's so crucial to get these things and have it on your main image. You're going to get such a higher click-through rate, which is one of the biggest things behind sales and reviews that Amazon weighs to actually rank your products in the pages. So if you're getting a bunch of clicks and then conversions on top of that, you're going to be moving up the pages like crazy. I have a ton of other videos on how to rank your product to page 1 and how I've gone from page 32 to page 1 in a matter of 5 days. So it's not too hard, guys. If you are looking to get started with Amazon, I'm also going to be making a course here in the next month, and it's just going to be about a $300 course. I know some of these other ones are $500 and $900 and over $1,000 for some of these courses, but I think I can bring you guys all the information you need to start right away. And I'm not one of those YouTubers that's got such a huge channel that I can't individually help like just about everyone that starts this business. So if you guys want to learn more or anything, I'll have some links below to my social media where you guys can reach out to me. Just the comment field as well on this video is going to be open, and you guys can drop any questions you have about getting started, product research, or anything like that is going to be right there. Finally, Jungle Scout is the product research tool that I use, and it shows me all the sales data and statistics on every product, guys. If you want to get started, don't wait no longer. This is the time, guys. The Chinese New Year's all over, so people can now order from suppliers in China and get your product shipped into the US in Amazon warehouses, where you literally just order from China, they ship it into Amazon, and you rank your product and make your listing look nice with everything that I've learned and I can teach you guys, and boom, you're making sales. So thank you guys, and stay tuned for the next videos. If you like this one, just throw a thumbs up. I'm also going to be doing in my future videos, like leave a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe and hit the bell. And I'm going to pick one of the comments to actually reach out about every other video, and I'm going to give a 1-hour consultation away to people who are looking to leave a comment and like the video. So thanks a lot, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great weekend. It's Friday the 23rd. Peace. Audio Jungle.